Welcome to our week 2 lecture in intermediate algebra. We're going to be looking this week at sections 2.1 and 2.2. So if you want to follow along, we're going to work some of the problems from the Dugopolsky textbook. We'll start on page 93. Which is in section 2.1, and the first problem that we're going to work is problem number 15, and it tells us x plus 3 is equal to negative 6, and our job is to solve this equation for x, which means we need to isolate the x variable. In this case, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. I'm subtracting 3 because I have a positive 3 term here that I want to get rid of, because my goal is to isolate the x variable. Plus 3 minus 3 is 0, which just leaves me x. But if I subtract 3 on the left side, I have to subtract 3 on the right side in order to maintain the equality. Minus 6 take away 3 is a negative 9. And that's my answer. That's my solution. The process of isolating the variable leads us to the solution for that equation. After we get that, we always want to check our answer, and we can check it very easily by taking the value that we obtained for x and plugging it back into the original equation. Once we've plugged it back into the original equation, next what we want to do is use the mathematical order of operations on both sides to simplify. On the left we get a negative 6, and on the right a negative 6. So that checks because it's a true inequality. And what that does is tells us, and it confirms that that's the right solution.